Hello everyone, myself Suhas, and I'm currently pursuing my graduation in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering under the Department of Basic Sciences. Today, I'm here to explain on one more C programming topic on methods of passing arguments to functions in C programming. My presentation delves into the fundamental methods of passing arguments to function in C programming, exploring call by value and call by reference. We will examine their differences, advantages, disadvantages, and when to use each method effectively. Continuing, function call. The function call statement invokes the function. When a function is invoked, the compiler jumps to the called function to execute the statements that are a part of function. Once the called function is executed, the program control passes back to the calling function. A function call statement has the following syntax: function underscore name brackets open variable 1 comma variable 2 comma so on. The following parts are to be noted while calling a function. Function name and the number and the type of arguments in the function call must be same as that given in function declaration, and the function header of the function definition names and not the types of variables in function declaration, comma, function call and header of function definition may vary. If the return type of the function is not void, then the value returned by the called function may be assigned to some values as given below. Variable underscore name is equal to function underscore name brackets open variable 1 comma variable 2 so on. Example, add a comma b. Passing parameters to functions. There are two ways in which arguments or parameters can be passed to the called function. Call by value. The value of the variables are passed by the calling function to the called function, known as call by value. Call by reference. In this, the addresses of the variables are passed by the calling function to the called function. Call by value. Knowing the mechanism of call by value. In a call by value, a copy of argument's value is passed to the function. This copy is stored in a new memory location specific to the function. Modifications to the argument within the function do not affect the original value. An example of call by value is given. Void swap inside the brackets int x comma int y. Open the braces. Int temp is equal to x is equal to y is equal to temp. Int main, open the braces, int a is equal to 10, comma b is equal to 20. Swap a comma b. Advantages of call by value. Data protection, predictability, and simplicity are the three examples of call by value. Data protection. Call by value safeguards the original data by working on a copy, preventing uninitiated modifications in calling function. Predictability. The behavior of the function is consistent and predictable. Changes within the function do not impact the original values outside. Simplicity. Call by value is easier to understand and implement, especially for beginners learning about function arguments. When there are advantages, there would be disadvantages also. Some disadvantages of call by value include inefficiency and limited functionality. Inefficiency. Copying large data structures can be computationally expensive, impacting performance, especially for large arrays or complex data. Limited functionality. Call by value doesn't allow the function to directly modify the original values, limiting its ability to alter external data. Heading on to call by reference. The mechanism of call by reference includes as such. Call by reference passes the memory address of the argument to the function. This allows the function to directly access and modify the original data stored at the address. An example is given: void swap int star x, int star y, braces opened, int temp is equal to star x is equal to star y is equal to temp, close braces. Int main, open the braces, int a is equal to 10, comma b is equal to 20. Swap and a and b, and we get the output. The advantages of call by reference include efficiency and direct modification. Efficiency. Call by reference avoids copying data, leading to faster execution, particularly for large data structures. Direct modification. The function can directly alter the original values, providing flexibility for tasks like sorting or updating data. Disadvantages of call by reference: potential errors and complexity. Potential errors: the function can accidentally modify the original values, leading to unexpected results and debugging challenges. Complexity: call by reference can be more complex to understand and manage, especially for beginners learning about pointers and memory addresses. Continuing with doing comparison of call by value and call by reference. Call by value. Simply, it copies values, protects data, predictable, simpler, and insufficient for large data, and limited modification is possible. In call by reference, passes addresses, allows modification, efficient, potential for errors, complex, direct access. When to use call by values or call by reference? Call by value is used when you want to protect the original data, when you are working with small data structures, when you don't need to modify the original values. In call by reference is used when you need to function to directly modify the value of a variable passed to it, as it passes the memory address of the variable, allowing changes made within the function to be reflected in the original variable outside the function. Moving on, we'll head to the key differences between call by value and call by reference. Features: change affect original data. In call by value, no. In call by reference, yes. Memory used, more due to copies. In call by reference, less due to direct access. Performance: in call by value, it's slower for large data. In call by reference, it's faster for large data. Feature: used when. In call by value, it's used when data should remain unchanged. In call by reference, it's used when data modification is required. Summary: in C function, arguments can be passed by using call by value, where changes inside the function do not affect the original value, or call by reference, where changes inside the function directly modify the original value. Call by value is safer but use of more memory, while call by reference is efficient but requires careful handling of pointers. Understanding when to use each method is crucial for efficient and error-free programming. Summary and key takeaways. Call by value creates a copy of the argument, protects the original data, suitable for small data and simple operations. In call by reference, passes the memory address to the argument, allows direct modification of the original values, efficient for large data structures and operation requiring modification. Thank you.